Good morning, friends. We will see about the CAN, that is Control Area Network. Okay, what we are stu- what we are studying now. In previous lecture, what we have seen the serial communications protocol. In serial communication protocols, we have already seen I square C. Okay, inter-integrated circuits. Its frame structures already we have seen. Our next topic is control area network, that is CAN. So this is the CAN data frame. This complete diagram is called as a CAN data frame. Okay, how this number of bits are divided into this CAN data frame. Okay, so this one is the start of frame bit. Start of frame bit. This complete diagram is called as a CAN data frame, control area network data frame. Okay, this one is the start of frame bit. Okay, this one is the message identifier, which consists of 11 bits. This message identifier consists of 11 bits. क्या करता है ये मैसेज आइडेंटिफायर, कितने बिट्स कंसिस्ट करता है 11 बिट्स. ठीक है. दिस कंट्रोल फील्ड, दिस from this point to this point, this is the control field. Control field which consists of 6 bits, which consists of 6 bits, and from this point to this point, it is called as an arbitration field. Arbitration field. Okay. Then this one is the data field. From this point to this one, this is the data field which consists of 0 to 8 bytes. Here you have to keep in your mind the difference between bit and byte. Bit and byte. It's from 0 to 8 bytes. Data field consists of 0 to 8 bytes. This one is the CRC. CRC sequence means cyclic redundancy check sequence, which consists of 15 bits. Okay. So from this start of frame bit to this CRC, it is called as a bit stuffing field. Bit stuffing field from this point to this one, that is start of frame bit to CRC. It is called as a bit stuffing field. Okay. Then this is the delimiter bit, which is of single bit. Delimiter bits are single bits. This one is the RTR bit. That is remote transmission request. This is the single bit, dominant for request frames, receive for data frames. Okay. Then these eliminator bits are single bits. Nothing but the single bits. Okay. Then this is the end of frame field, which consists of 7 bits. This end of frame consists of 7 fields. This is the acknowledgement field. That is, this acknowledgement field consists of 2 bits. Acknowledgement fields consist of 2 bits, and this one is the intermission field consists of 3 bits. Okay. Intermission or inter-frame gap. We can say that frame inter gap. We can say that it consists of also 3 bits. ठीक है. तो ये हो गया इसका फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर कंट्रोल एरिया नेटवर्क का. कंट्रोल एरिया नेटवर्क का क्या हो गया ये फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर्स, हाउ दिस बिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन is done in this control area network. Okay. So this control area network is mainly used in automotive electronics. This control area network is mainly used in automotive electronics. CAN bus is standard bus in distributed network. It has a bidirectional serial line which receives or sends a bit at an instant by operating at maximum rate of 1 megabits per second. Okay, and the pair can run to a maximum length of 40 meter. Okay, this is all about the CAN, that is control area network. So this control area network having some advantages. First one is this cost is low, lightweight network. Third one is all devices on the network see all transmitted messages. Every message has priority. It includes CRC to perform error checking. These are the advantages of this control area network. Then we will see the some application of this control area network. So this control area network is used in automotive electronics, medical electronics, industrial plant, elevators, textile machines, automobiles, fields, etc. These are the application of this control area network. Control area network.